So for my cover, what I did, I just basically load up ChatGPT and I just tell it what I wanted to do. I want to create a top-down shooter game, and I just tell it what the game is going to totally be about. Then it come up with a small synopsis for it. Then I upload the template and ask it to apply that information to the templates. Came out a little bit short, so I tried to keep the same template. Here now just make it bigger because it was cut off at the side. And here I end up with a nice game template. Marine Slayer, put it all nice and everything, and put what the game is about on the back right here. So we're gonna load this up and I'll show you how to apply it to the game itself in Aurora. Alright, so one thing you actually need is to find the IP address of what your console is, and you'll need Aurora Asset Editor. There's a lot of tutorial on how to actually add the plugin to your console. It's just a matter of copy to a USB and putting on the console itself. It's just a plugin that you'll use. And once you are connected, you put your IP address in, your username, and the password that normally comes default with Aurora. Then you do test connection, and once it's connected, you can click Get Available Assets, and it should pull all the titles that are on your console. So finish grabbing information. Okay, it was just all like that. So we're gonna look for our game. Let's see if we can find it. Marine Slayer, and we're gonna right click and get whatever art that's on it, which none is. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna search for our box art cover that we created. So we're gonna right click and go on to select new cover, and once we select that, navigate to where it is. Let's pop that in, and there you have it. Background, we can select that for the background if we wanna. Then let's go back to here, and we're gonna right click and we're gonna save all assets. Alright, so let's go to our console and see how it actually looks on our console. Alright, so we're now on our console, so we're gonna search for our game all the way in M. Could have done a filter and search for it, but that's what I should have done. Alright, it should be there. Okay. Alright, so it's not updated as yet. Probably need to restart Aurora, and that should allow it to load the new cover art. Can we do a search? I think it's the only game that's on it that should be. Okay, there we go. So we have our cover art. We press Y for detail. There we have it. So Marine Slayer. I don't know how to flip this over. Detail. Normally there was a way to flip over the back of the thing to see what's on the other side. I'm not quite remember how to do that. Okay. So yeah, that's how we would actually put cover art on our game. And you know, you go in, loads up, you have our menu, load in our game. There we go. Grab our red key or a blue key. And we have our minimap working. We can explore. We have our pause menu. Yeah, I haven't got to fix this as yet. We can resume the game. We can pause it. And we can go back to the main menu. And we can exit our game. There we have it. So that's all for this video. It's a really short one. Alright, thanks for watching.